you so much. It's with Serena Oceania Suarez-Yayo. I love you so much.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Napaka-cute at bibo na anak ni Jong Hilario at Maia Azores, nakatanggap ng regalo mula kina Senator Robin Padilla at Mariel Rodriguez. Sobrang pasasalamat ni Baby Sarina, dahil sa mga natanggap nitong birthday gift. Ang 3 years old daughter ni Jong, ay talaga nga namang napaka-grateful sa mga regalo sa kanya. Di maikakaila, na napakaganda ng ginagawang pagpapalaki ng mag-asawang Jong at Maia, kay Baby Sari. Ating panoorin ang nakakatuwa nitong video. Pero bago yan, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para maging updated sa iba pa nating celebrity chika.
Thank you, Ate Martina, for my gift. I love you so much. It's with Serena Oceania Suarez-Yayo. I love you so much. Let's open the gift first. Pateria family. Wow.
Again. Wow. What did you say? Again? You're so what? Tita Jazz, look at me. What did you say? You don't have makeup.